Their video on how to fix that. There's water, and then here I didn't tighten it all the way on because I have to put this one right in there. Let's see, right there, and this is the other one right here. Now, guys, this one right here, it's this one is for the vent, and this one it goes right here. And I'm gonna come back to you. Right in here, this is like if those two legs, they have to bolt again back. Okay, guys, we have to install the blower. I'm gonna try to see